Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to fix the TikTok effects problem using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you'll want to open your TikTok app. So now just go ahead and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. Click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Settings and Privacy. Now you want to scroll down until you see the free up space. So just go ahead and click that. Now you want to click the cache. Clear that. Also, you can do the downloads. Clear that. Okay. So that should help you to fix your effects. But for example, that doesn't do anything. You can do is to exit TikTok, go to your settings, go to general, click iPhone storage, scroll down until you see TikTok. So just go ahead and click on upload app. So this will free up storage and used by the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So just go ahead and click on upload app, or better you can just go ahead and delete your app and just go ahead and reinstall it. Okay, so that should help you with your problem. So that's it. That is how you fix the TikTok effects problem. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.